Welcome to day 12 of our 30-day countdown towards the Further Maths GCSE. Now, yesterday we were given the question, given that 9 times 3 to the power of 4x equals 27 to the power of x plus 1, find the value of x. Now, the first thing I notice is that 9 and 27 are both powers of 3. So I'm going to rewrite those as powers of 3 in this equation. So 9 is going to be 3 squared. I still have 3 to the power of 4x. And 27 is 3 to the 3. I've included brackets there to make sure I know that all of the 27, the 3 to the power 3, is to the power of x plus 1. So I'm just going to do a bit of tidying here to begin with. So I've got this index rule when I have brackets that the thing in the bracket, I multiply the power by what is outside the bracket. I'm going to have 3 to the bracket to the power of 3x plus 3. Now, we can see here all my bases are the same. So what I can do is look at just the powers. We've got 2. Now, if we're doing index laws, when I'm multiplying, they become a plus. So it'll be plus 4x, and that equals 3x plus 3. So I've got myself an equation that I can solve. So we've got x's on both sides, so I'm going to get rid of the least amount of the x's. So the least amount of the x's is 3x, so I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. That's going to cancel there. So we're going to have 2 plus x equals 3. And then I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. They're going to cancel, so x equals 1. So we found our value for x. We can check that by, if we put it back into our equation up here, it should work. So today's question is solve 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 is greater than 0. So it's an inequalities question.